Beautiful, creative friends and family, YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not just about handbags, it is about creativity, about hands that create, and about dreams stitched into reality. Handmade handbags is more than an accessory, it is carries a story, memories, and confidence. Let's begin the beautiful journey. Once upon a time, there was a small piece of fabric lying quietly on a table. Leftover material ignored, unnoticed, but creativity sees things differently. Where others see waste, a creative mind sees possibility. Handbag designing begins with imagination. A simple idea, I sketch a version. Before scissors touch the fabric, the design already exists in the heart. Creativity always starts from within. Every handmade bag tells a story of purpose. Some bags are designed for daily life, some for celebrations, some for strength, some for elegance. The design changes, but the intentions remains the same, to create something meaningful. A choice of fabric matters. Cotton speaks of comfort. Denim speaks of strength. Jute speaks of sustainability. Leather speaks of luxury. A creative designer listens to the fabric before deciding what will it will become. Slowly, the cutting begins carefully, thoughtfully. Each measurement is taken with intentions because one small mistake can change the entire shape. Creativity is not careless, it is careful. Stitch by stitch, the handmade starts taking form. The machine hums softly like it understands the importance of the movement. Hands guide the fabric, but the heart guides the designs. Handles are added, zippers are attached, lining is placed gently inside. These small details make a handmade functional, and functionality is beauty in itself. A beautiful bag must also be useful. Now comes the most exciting part, creative detailing. Embroidery, buttons, beads, patches, hand painting, crochet flowers. These details turn a small handbag into a unique piece. No factory can copy this uniqueness. One handbag may take hours to complete, sometimes days, but creativity does not rush because handmade work carries emotion and emotion takes time. There is a special joy in completing a handmade, holding it, looking at it, knowing that something beautiful came from your own hands. These feelings cannot be bought. Handmade designing, handmade bags designing is not just a hobby for many, it becomes a small business, a way to earn with dignity, a way to turn talent into income, a way to stand independently. Creativity creates opportunity. Every handmade handbag supports sustainability, less waste, more reuses, more responsibility. Old clothes become stylish bags, leftover fabric becomes fashion. Creativity heals the planet too. When someone carries your handmade handbags, they carry your story with them. They carry your patience, your effort, your creativity. That connection is powerful. Some people will ask, where did you buy this bag? And you will smile and say, I made it. That moment builds confidence. There will be challenges, design that fails, stitches that go wrong, days when creativity feels tired. But remember, even tired creativity is also powerful. Rest. They begin again and begin again. Every successful designer once doubted themselves, but they continued. They continued. They trusted their hands. They trusted their ideas, and slowly creativity turned into skill. Handbags are not just fashion items, they are companions. They travel with us, hold our essentials, share our journey. A well-designed handbag becomes part of life. As the creative handbag design is completed, take a moment to appreciate it.